Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by forcing Excel to treat the sheet as A4 so scaling behaves predictably. First, set page layout size to A4 so margins and headers align. This instructs Excel how big the canvas is. Then pick the actual printer you will use in File Print. Once done, make sure the printer's paper source or tray is set to A4 so Excel and the hardware agree. These steps prevent common mismatches between display and print output. Next, you control how the content fits on A4. If your sheet is large, choose Page Setup Scaling, fit sheet on one page, or manually set a % to keep fonts readable. This avoids clipped columns. Then pick Orientation, Portrait for tall tables, Landscape for wide ones, because A4 proportions matter. Finally, tweak margins and header/footer in the Page Setup preview. Once adjusted, the preview shows how Excel will map grid lines and text to the physical A4 page. Finish by validating the result in File Print and inspect every previewed page. You can spot page breaks, orphaned rows, or oversized columns before wasting paper. If alignment or sizing is off, tweak custom scale or resize columns so content fits A4 without shrinking text too much. If printing still uses the wrong paper size, check the printer driver settings and confirm the tray is loaded with A4. Reinstall or update driver if necessary. This resolves the most persistent hardware mismatches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.